Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Anand. In this video, I'm talking about PowerShell one liner. If you look at this command is not in a single physical line. This is across three physical line, but this command is a single one line command. If you notice, there is a pipe and there is a new line. In PowerShell, we are allowed to put a line break after a pipe. Let me hit enter here, and this works. In PowerShell, we can use line break with characters like comma, opening brackets, braces, and parentheses. In PowerShell ISC, if you get an error, you can use shift enter instead of just pressing enter for a new line. If you look at this example, dollar $service equals to single quote win32 times single quote semicolon get hyphen service name dollar service. This is on a single physical line, but this is a two separate command because semicolon is used to separate a command. Let's take a look at filtering. So if I run a command get service, I'm in PowerShell ISC. So I'll use this F5 or I'll click on this button. If I have to run selection, I'll click on F8 or click on this button. So if I run get service, I get a list of all these services. But if we use parameters in PowerShell to filter the result, so I can use hyphen name and win32 time. And if I run this command, I can filter the result now only for win32 time service. We can use another filtering using where object. So what we could do is get service, use a pipe where object name equals win32 time. And if I run this command, I'll get the same result. But there is a difference when we run the command in line 1 and when we run this command in line 3. So in first case, we are filtering the result at source. So we get the result only for this win32 time service. In the second example, we are getting all the outputs from get service, and then we filter from those outputs only win32 time to display. Suppose a command returns thousands of output. In that case, we don't want to return the thousands of output and then apply the filtering. So it will be wise to filter the return at the source. There might be a scenario when we use a select object to select only specific properties, and then we would like to use where object based on the condition to filter the result. So if we do get service, let's pipe and select object name display name, and if we run this command, we get all these services and their name and their display name. Now if I try to filter the result using where object, so let me put a pipe where object can pause and continue. And if I run this command, I'll not get any result, because when this select object is running, it's selecting only these two properties, name and display. If I have to filter can pause and continue property, I need to include this within this select object first. So if I run this command again, then I get the result for where object. Now what I could also do is reverse the order of these commands. So I can use where object before select object. So I'll do get service space pipe and put where object can pause and continue, pipe it to select object, and then run this command, and we have the result. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If so, do subscribe to my channel. See you next time.